Hey guys, it's Colin here from Spare Outdoors, and this little upload is a very simple one. We're just going to make banana pancakes on the fire, and it's a really simple recipe and they taste splendid. So all you need for this simple recipe is a good pan, a non-stick pan or a good cast iron pan. Now make sure it's the cast iron has been well seasoned, and before you cook on it, make sure you've heated it up and it's come up to temperature. You don't want to start off cooking on a cold cast iron pan. It makes it a lot harder. It needs a wee flipper, a fork, the 2 star ingredients, which is the egg. You need 2 eggs, a banana, some oil and something to mix the solution in. So what I'll do next is I'll crack 2 eggs into the jug, and I'll peel the banana and break it up and put it into the jug, and then we'll mash it together. So as you can see, there's a banana and the egg both in together. All I have to do now is mash up the banana and mix it into a smoothies paste. So there you can see, it doesn't have to be really smooth, but you want to try and get all the big lumps out so it becomes reasonably smooth. Again, if you want it lumpy you can, but it's better if you can get it reasonably smooth. So just keep beating at it till you get it to that nice sort of smooth texture. It's getting there, as you can see. So once you get your pan on, spray in your desired amount of oil so your pancake just gives the pancake a better chance of not sticking to your non-stick pan. That should be enough there for our wee project. As you can see, I'm just using old pallets that have broken down as firewood. That's a good way of getting rid of them. You want to make the pancakes relatively small because they're easier to manage and they'll cook a wee bit quicker. And out of that recipe you'll probably get 4 to 6 reasonable sized pancakes from that banana and 2 eggs. So what we do now, we'll sort of same as a normal pancake, we'll let them sit there till it sort of gets the underside cooked and the top side starts to dry, and then you just flip them over. That's them pancakes just flipped over. They're not looking too bad. The thing about these pancakes, they're really delicate, so you have to take your time with them. So there you go folks, I got 6 reasonable wee pancakes out of that wee recipe. Now I'm going to try them and eat one because they're really tasty. Well that's it folks, here's one of the pancakes. And it does taste sort of more like banana omelets, but they're really nice. Really easy, 2 eggs and banana and you can make half a dozen good pancakes. The other good thing about this campfire recipe is no carrying eggs out in your pack for a day hike and stuff, or even a wee overnight expedition, whatever you're doing. It's quite hard. So it's better to make the mix first and maybe put it into a wee container like a flask or a plastic bottle. So then all you have to do is pour it out onto your pan when you're ready to cook. So it's quite a good one. I've used just a few times for breakfast when I've been away camping and things like that, where I've just stored it in a plastic bottle or a wee flask, and I've made wee pancakes for my breakfast. So it's quite a good wee recipe to do, or it's just if you want to try it in the house in the cooker you can, or with scout groups or any youth groups you're with. It's a very simple recipe, and to be honest they taste great. And I hope you all have a go at this and give it a try because it is so simple and tastes fantastic.